So my first question is, what do you mean by self-esteem?
According to me, self-esteem is basically the respect and our morale, which we often try to protect when it comes to ourselves, because self-esteem and self-respect both come parallel and they both are equally important to us, which we try to preserve every time in any kind of situation.
Okay, so you use the word morale. So do you think morale is important while teaching in the school?
Yes, obviously, I think morale is quite important when it comes to teaching in school, because if our morale is down, then I think the students will not be able to cope up with us. They want someone who is positive, who has a good morale, who can boost them also, who can boost their confidence so that they can also perform well and look at us like a role
Explain
model.
me, what do you mean by close reading? What is the difference between close reading and the open reading of the text?
I think close reading means something which maybe we can memorize, or something that we do in depth, maybe. And open could be just a gist or a synopsis which we go through,
Okay, have you
depending
made
upon
this
any
file on
question.
your own?
Yes, I've made all the files on my own.
Okay. So how important do you think drama is while teaching these kids in the school? Do you think drama is an important means?
Yes, I think drama is very important because our body language says a lot. If we are still and we are stable in any situation, I don't think the child would be interested to listen to us. But I think if we portray something in front of them, or if we portray any kind of drama, it could be in any form. It could be the change of body language, it could be the change of movements, it could be the change in their classroom structure. Maybe we can go outside, we can visit other places. So I think that the drama that we can create in the environment for the children is quite important.
Okay. What is the full form of ICT?
ICT stands for information, uh, some technology, information,
Okay,
something
so you don't know
technology.
the meaning of the
No,
term
I don't know.
itself. Okay, fine. What is the difference between workbook and worksheet?
Worksheet is something that is given, it can be given to us by a teacher, or it can be given to us so that we can make it basically a sequence of questions. And workbook can comprise of many more things, like something excluded from
But I'm
questions.
talking about in the terms of ICT, computer. Do you
Okay.
really think this is the difference between workbook and worksheet?
Mm, in terms of ICT,
Yes.
worksheet and workbook. Worksheet can be there in the form of Excel sheet also.
Okay.